everything right on this one?
Yeah.
Oh, you still going here? You
No,
can go
we're
ahead.
done.
What
Okay.
did you mean
Yeah,
by
fine.
three
She,
sheep?
I thought she was saying.
I was trying to tell him.
Even if you didn't get the bidding exactly right on this one, I'm hearing everybody talking about the right things and expressing the same concerns on this hand, so that's good. So it's, so, you know, it's just, so this is all about the how, because I think we know what we want to do. And that is, and once again, I've inverted these hands with the hand that would presumably be the dummy up on top, even though that is in fact the south hand that's up on top.
What's your hand?
And the north hand down here. So north, you have a no trump opening. Did we hear from east at all three tables?
Yes.
I hope we did, because this is a hand that should be bidding two spades, because you have 6 of them. Good sit, got all the spots. Queen, Jack, 10, 9. By the way, just to contrast this with what we talked about on the first hand, where Nina got kind of frisky with her don't bid. If you have a 6-card suit of any kind, then I would encourage you to get in as often as you can over a no trump, vulnerable or not. There's a lot more safety in doing this with a 6-card suit, and you don't need ace king. If you have those intermediates, I would be in over a no trump just about any time with queen, jack, 10, 9, 6. I would probably be in without the ace of hearts and the queen of diamonds. So partners be warned. So that's where we like to see when you have one long suit, any excuse to get in. But this isn't a bad hand. So 2 spades. Now, South, you're the one who's presented with the problem here, right?
Yeah.
Because you know you belong in game,
Yep.
and then it's a matter of which game. Now, if they had not interfered, South, what would you have done? You would have been Stamen and looked for a heart fit, right?
Yep.
All right, can you still bid Stamen?
Yes.
Yes.
You can, but you have to do it a little differently, because you don't have 2 clubs
Of
available.
course you do, that's
I
right.
do remember that.
Of course.
All
I
right.
remember how to do it though.
Okay, so do you remember in our Liebensal discussion? You remember this is all woven in. You are not using Liebensal on this auction. In other words, you're not using the 2 no part of Liebensal, but you're using Liebensal.
3 spades.
The other part of it, what is it?
3 spades.
Okay, so this is where you cube it. Remember that part of the Liebensal structure is you can bid Stamen with or without a stopper. You do not have a spade stopper. You have 2 little spades. So you will not start with 2 no, because if you went through 2 no and then bid your Stamen, that would be Stamen with a stopper. You need Stamen without a stopper. And remember, you've got to be game forcing to do this, which you are, because your 3 spades is going to force this thing to at least 3 no, right? So remember that when you go ahead and Q-bid their suit, and you have not gone through the relay, this is the fast denies part of Liebensal. And so this shows 4 hearts and game forcing values, no spade stopper. All right, well, I hope North feels pretty comfortable with the next bid here, because they have not just 1, but in fact 2 spade stoppers and no heart fit with you. This works very well for North, because you have no reservations about your spade stoppers, and because partner has shown 4 hearts and probably has some values in hearts, doesn't that make you feel better about no trump holding a doubleton 10 of hearts? Knowing the partner has 4 of them and that the opponents aren't going to hurt you too much in that suit? So yeah, so this should end your auction right here. Q-bid is Stamen without, immediate Q-bid is Stamen without a stopper. If you wanted to show 4 hearts and a spade stopper, you start with 2 no, you make partner bet 3 clubs, and then you Q-bid. Does that all come back together? Everybody remember that part of Liebensal? And then this is all part of the fast denies.
What do you do?
So I
Could you
did
do that
this.
again?